We are here in Erjan aunt house. That is her aunt.
Video çekimler yapıyor. Memleketine gönderiyor.
So this is Erjan aunt, sister of my mother-in-law. Ormana is the best. Ormana çok güzel, çok iyi.
Ormana işte güzel değil. Millet arsalar çıktı ya dünya fiyatı.
So she will gonna prepare something, and we said we already eat, but she will gonna give us fruit. So and this is the kitchen. That is Erjan aunt. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Yabanji Gillen, foreign bride in Turkey. Okay guys, I just want to share to you, itong vlog na po ito is, it's about in Ormana village. Yun po yung sinabi ko sa inyo before, my last vlog na I will show to you po yung hometown ng mother-in-law ko. So yesterday, we came in there. Actually, malaki po yung pagbabago niya. Mas lalo po siyang gumanda. So, I hope you will gonna like this video. And me also, actually, I really enjoy yesterday. Pumunta kami ng husband ko. We walk, going and coming. So, sobrang pagod po talaga namin. But, when I look at the video, so, medyo nawala po yung pagod ko. Sulit po talaga yung pagpunta po namin doon. So, I hope you will gonna like it. So, I will share to you this video. Hi guys! We are going to Ormana, to my mother-in-law hometown. So, we are walking right now. Actually, we are already walked for 15 minutes. We are just walking. Time check. Around 6 p.m. So see you later guys. I will show to you. I will show to you my mother-in-law hometown. Adventure guys, walking Ibrade to Ormana. See you later guys. We already go out from Ibrade, so that is Ibrade. Now we will gonna go to Ormana. My husband is walking right now. Actually, he doesn't want to walk, but he don't have a choice. I want. Deme, say something.
Pity boy.
Pity boy. So, kailangan din namin maglakad guys kasi we already gained weight. So, we must lost weight. My husband already have stomach.
What is it?
So, let's do adventure. Are you ready to adventure, Ashkam?
Area. When I was a kid, we stole some cigarettes from our old uncles or fathers and coming here for smoking, for hiding from them. This area is hidden area when you are kid.
When you are young. Let them to show me also. I will walk. We are gonna go to Ormana. So, let's go for travel.
It looks like you're going first time.
See guys, look at the mountains. Actually, it's not soil, it's rock mountain. Diba, Ashkam?
Yeah.
It's rock mountain. So, before it was not like that. Slowly, the government did something in the way. They make it wide. How to say?
Yeah,
Wide street or something wide for the highway para mas comfortable. So ayan guys, marami ding mga sasakyan na dumarating. This way is going to Ibrade and that way is going to Ormana. So see you later guys. See you later. So makikita nyo po ang mga traditional houses dito sa Ormana village. So I will share to you guys. This place is really nice, historical. So see you later.
think they didn't make it deliberately. In winter it will be full of rain in here.
Yeah.
See, it's higher. This side is higher. This side is full of rain.
So guys, tingnan nyo yung cemetery nila. Malinis. Sa kabila din. Ayan. So ayan yung cemetery nila. Malinis. Back Yazio, Montenegro Restaurant and Cafe.
My Lolo is staying in this cemetery.
Your lolo.
Lolo and my
Anne babası.
evet,
Ha,
and wife of him.
your lola.
And some
Lola
of,
and lolo.
evet, some of my auntie.
Yeah. Safina stays, değil mi? Here. He buried here. So, welcome to Ormana. Aşkım, can you take me? Huh? After 1 hour of walking, we're already here in Ormana. So, yes, yung Ormana Village. So guys, andito na tayo sa entrance mismo ng Ormana. So welcome to Ormana. Ormana means forest. Okay?
Orman is forest.
Orman is forest, sorry. You're already here. Let's go.
Close.
This is the old houses, di ba, Shan? Old houses is like this, right? So guys, tingnan nyo yung lumang bahay dito. This is the old houses here. See? Ganito ang paggawa ng bahay dati. They put wood in the middle and then they put rocks. Hindi uso ang simento dati, kaya ganito yung pag-build nila ng
They cut
bahay.
it like that because they don't use it as nail for holding the that wood pieces.
So
Only natural. They cut and they hang it like that.
so it looks like that's the one,
So,
their nail. Di ba?
yeah, nail will by the time it's too much rain and by the time nail will be damaged and it will damage the wood. In this system they don't use nail. That's why they can live long years forever. Even this is not damaged wood. Yok karışmam bro.
So ito yung center nila. So look at that. This also old house. Old house din siya guys, pero yung up niya is medyo modern lang ng konti. So this is the market belongs to Republic because it's Hawk Manao means Hawk, it's for public. So ayan yung church deal, mosque. So pupunta tayo sa, ayan, andito tayo ngayon sa center. Oy, kalabalok, bugol. Kalabalok. So medyo crowded. Mehmet abi gördüm. Burada. Ötüyor. Şakırda'ya da orada. So guys, andito tayo ngayon sa center. So ayan. Actually, yung tito ni Ershan, Push Bulldog, merhaba. So ayan yung mga sauce nila. Ito yung mga Rachel jams. It's homemade. They are the one who did it. So ito yung parang merkado nila dito. So yung uncle ni Ershan is may kave dito. So ayan siya yung gidim me sheday. Syukur day. So yung kumakaway tito ni Ershan. Merhaba day. Ayan siya yung tito ni Ershan. Huh? Tell to him later. We just go first to Nuriye. Evet, sonra gidelim. So Mehmet abi, my husband, cousin, so Ershan friend. Merhaba, Wish Bulldog, nasılsınız? So ayan guys, ito yung pinaka-center nila dito. Dito. Berbikulu House, Ormana Active Culture and Creative Tourism, but it's a restaurant. Ayan. Should we go inside? So, ayan. Look at that. Hi. So, they are eating here. So, we are here inside in the restaurant. I will go. So, this is the restaurant here in Ormana. Look at that, Urshan. So, guys, tingnan nyo. What animals is this? Is it cow? Goat. Ha, it's a goat. Tishekula, it's a goat. So goat. Guys, tingnan nyo. 'Di ba? So lahat ng house is like that. All houses is like that. So ayan. So this is the restaurant here. There's also bear. Maksana. Bear and fish. I will show. Ne? See, look at this. This is bear and this is fish. Actually, they're cooking fish here, right? Merhaba, afiyet olsun. So this is I think horse also. Head horse. So, ayan guys. Ito yung restaurant nila dito.
It's
Gear.
gear.
So it's a gear.
Mountain.
So this is this is made from clay. It's really nice here, yeah.
Long years ago, people used to use for preparing rice.
Yeah, for preparing rice, they are doing like that. Say hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. Hello. So I just make them. So ayan na guys. So guys, we are here in Persian uncle. It's Anne brother. So we are here. This cafe is belongs to him. So siya pong may-ari ng cafe na to. So we will gonna sit down for a while and then we will gonna drink tea. Ayan yung uncle niya. Kamukha talaga siya ni Anne. So now we will gonna go to Persian auntie house, and I will show to you also one of his uncle also house. So we are here in Erjan aunt house. That is her aunt.
Video çekimler yapıyor memleketine.
So this is Erjan aunt, sister of my mother-in-law. Ormana is the best. Ormana çok güzel, çok iyi.
Ormana işte güzel değil. Millet arsalar çıktı ya dünya fiyatı.
So she will gonna prepare something, and we said we already eat, but she will gonna give us fruit. So ayan, this is her kitchen. That is Erjan aunt.
1850, 2 milyar kira.
We will gonna go back to Ibrade. It's 7:15 p.m. 7:15 p.m.
Nuriye'nin yeğeniyim ben. Nuriye. Çoban İbrahim'in torunuyum ben.
Çoban İbrahim.
Ha, geçen yıl rahmetli olan Sevim vardı ya İbrahim.
We will gonna go back to Ibrade. But really, Ormana is really nice. Diba, Ashkam?
Yes.
It's really nice. They really did it nicely. See, look at this before when we came here. These lights, they didn't put this one back. It's under construction, but now they already finished. It's already done. It's really nice. So we will gonna walk maybe 1 hour.
Not so much.
Here from Ibrade. So this is the way. It's nice. It's quiet. Air is fresh.
Exactly, full of
There is no-
oxygen.
poison, full of oxygen. Police came. So I hope you will enjoy my video. I will tell you again, this place is my Anne hometown. She born here. Her family is from here. Ormana, Orman means forest. So this place is really forest. It looks like secret garden.
Yeah, actually all around full of garden.
Yeah, and when we came, there's so many tourists came here. Every summer there's so many tourists in here. Actually, guys, there's also Montenegro Hotel, but we didn't come because it's far. This garden belongs to Nuria Teza Garden. It belongs to Ercan Aunt Garden. This garden is
Later on we can check what's inside to eat, enjoyable to eat. Bu da, this is also blackberry.
good.
Yeah.
See, look at her garden. There are so many things.
Later on we check is there something to
is
eat, enjoy.
Peanut. Almond.
Almond.
Yeah, this is almond. We cannot show today.
It's dark.
This one. See, it's almond. It's almond. So this garden belongs to Teize.
Who is inside? This is neighbor. Huh?
Close it.